Ultimately, the end game for us is to support the clinicians. They're the ones seeing the patient, so it only makes sense that they have full transparency and control over the process. The iOrthotics ERP is the cornerstone of our business. It's a web application that we've built to give the tools to the clinician, to the clinics, the administrators, but also then to the technicians here that facilitates the whole manufacturing process. We have a full digital chain through the whole system. As a clinician, you can log on, or as a practice administrator, you can see what jobs have been ordered, when they're likely to be shipped.
Every 24 hours will be an update. And in some cases, much sooner than that. Sometimes they'll have updates going throughout the day.
And now we've been able to integrate our invoicing within our customer portal. Everything that they've selected will be invoiced correctly, being able to give them a lot more control and clarity.
They can actually see the end 3D design done before it's actually been printed or machined. And then once they give it the okay, it goes to the next process. So it might go to be 3D printed, it might go to be machined.
Within 24 hours, we'll have an orthotic ready to go that's been designed, manufactured. It's then into the next stage of the facility, which is the finishing stage, where there's additional pads put on, cushioning layers, top cover layers, depending on what the podiatrist has asked for.
Each stage, that job gets scanned, it's assigned to a technician, so we can tell through the system, and the clinician can, who's actually touched that device, who's the one that ground it, who's the one that did the quality control on it, at what time as well, so it's fully transparent. So this system, the iOrthotics ERP, runs the whole business. What it's allowed us to do is make our manufacturing process so much more streamlined. What that means is then our lead times to get those products produced have been significantly reduced now. That's great, because at the end of the day, it just means that the patient or the clinician gets those devices far quicker.